Mbia mono sana umwanchi mulieta seni kia Ndizi TV na gasemera kwa nuna kwa beri kogotwara oborigereria obia nande ne biro bindengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye nare yabereka okolekana kurwa chingongo chionsi inye chinse asinse mo chiche mitandao asense mo ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense media YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website na batunya witra www.ndizitv.net irietera ne Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa chebyo rokelyo ni gotoko bwatanere Joshua Auta ikaransa oike elindengo manye asenchera yo wenye chinga kitoroche egati yabara ikorwa se county ya Nyamira wanigo bagendeta kwe murungani kubwatikana nengwana yaye Josh Mugirango oyo okolige oberega kumurikira obokoleri ase county yo naboigo ase county ya Kisii nigo abaiboli naboigo aborokia baba korobekana kubwatikana askeli bagoteba buna nigo eskuru ya Kenya binge eganiriye kourwa obolimo igo mancho murigereria toska tonyegera ngoira nanda sege kerebosio elinde ngomanye amange Ingo chaka kegima umwanchi umuliereria nigongo chakera county ya Nyamira asingo kumanyobuna egati yabara ikorwa se county yo bono nigo beso kiribene na boigo kwe murungani kubwatikana ne ngwana yaye Josh Mugirango oyo gendete koraga biara serikali ye county ya Nyamira asengencho yo bakoleri bwaye bakoragwa no mubunge oborabu Patrick Osero na boigo omokonyi bo monogeri bwe bunge yo Thaddeus Baro no MCA korwa sensemeli yeligoma Nyambega gisesa na gati ya baraibande nigo babolire abananchi korwa se county ya Nyamira kubolia serikali ninge taraikirania amagendero kolende nigo babere bakweneke buna serikali enenetera bagakwena na chibesa gochia assess chi county asokweneki obokoleri obia.
One member of parliament from Nyamira was castigating MCAs and the county of Nyamira as development and saying they cannot be compared to other parts of the country. But this is an issue that is nationwide. Exchequer Treasury has not released funds.
Ile ninaomba moja kuanzia wananchi, sisi wenyewe viongozi ambao tumechaguliwa na wale ambao wameteuliwa na viongozi wa madhehebu yote, tuheshimu viongozi wale Mungu ametupea.
Sasa kule bungeni
ile ninaomba moja kuanzia wananchi, sisi wenyewe viongozi ambao tumechaguliwa na wale ambao wameteuliwa na viongozi wa madhehebu yote, tuheshimu viongozi wale Mungu ametupea.
Abaiboli na boigo aborokigwa nigo emambia ya lero baba korobikana ase skuru yoboroso ya Kenya binge eyo gotoka asensemeli ya Nyatieko ebunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii ase kele bakwe murungani buna nigo eskuru eyo etagete kourwa obulimo osanga na barabo nigo baba koerera buna nigo abamenye benseme yo babete bakwena na obulimo asoko enekimna eskuru eyo nkwagachere askole ndo mugolio yomo abetega kugora obulimo na bwigo kugania koegwa eskuru iyo wana nigo baganire omwaziri bwekisemi Ezekiel Machogomba kigweso kebene na bwigo kugayana engane yo asoko enekebuna eskuru iyo ngogendererere no bokoleri bwabo.
Mimi kwa jina naitwa Alfred Mairura, ni msasi katika ile shule. Na ile shule ilianza zamani, wase wakakusanyika wakatengeneza mahali pa kuombea. Walipoendelea kwa mta wakaona niliwa watengeneza shule. Haikuwa na shamba la kutosha, wakakubaliana vijiji vitatu, kila mtu akasonga kidogo kusudi shule watoto wapate mahali pa kuchezea, mahali pa kutengeneza madarasa. Sasa waliposonga hivyo, imeenda wakati watu wamenunua vile nchi inavyoendelea. Sasa watu wamenunua hapa kando. Sasa wamenunua, wao wanaangalia mahali title deed ilikuwa nafika. wanasema title deed kama ilikuwa nafika mahali fulani wanataka hiyo title deed ndio wanafuata hiyo ramani. Sasa wasasi mwekezaji mmoja wakati alipofika hapa kaangalia title deed mahali futi zake zimefika, lakini hiyo kwanza walipatiana nafasi. Yeye akaanza alianza kuchenga wakati wa likizo. Watoto waliporudi kutoka manyumbani sasa kuingia shule siku ya kwanza leo wamepata sambarao limechengwa wakati wa likizo. Ndipo sasa wakarudi nyumbani wakaambia wasasi walipokuja wakasema iwezekani. Sasa ndio watoto wakaingilia kupomoa, wasasi wamekuja, ndipo sasa mnatuangalia hivi katika Kenya nzima. Tunashita, tunataka kuambia Minister of Education Mr. Machogu aingilie kati, Director of Education waingilie kati, waangalie tatizo, tuna tatizo.
Omubunge Omanyata John Gitonga wananigeso kiribene na bigo kubulia serikali kwaeneke bunango na bali kibesa kisaine erinde gukinia sector y'ekisemi okwana nigo abagakoli eira gochikomulikera amateta likwenyara asoko eneke buna aboro kiwa kurwa sensemeyo ngo enyorera bali kibesa kisaine asoko enyorera kisemi wekerano.
That is a genius move from His Excellency the President. The fact that we will always be funded in terms of the population and making a category of the vulnerable, the less vulnerable, and the rich, so that the vulnerable can get 100% scholarship is a genius of a strike. And I want to tell His Excellency the President, thank you very much because of that move. It is the same thing I used when I was giving bursaries. And I categorically put the vulnerable to get more so that our money goes to the people who need it more.
Unentere ya moyo gukinia sekta y'oburendi nigo umuwaziri w'oburendi weme Kithure Kindiki mukigetambukiro na baigo gutarira ejera ya moya okwana kora Chinsa chuni gabaga kwene kibuna serikali ya bekire kibesensemo anene mono billion yemo asoko ene kibuna obokoreri asechichera ngosirobole asabuna baigo abagakori eirabuna nigo guchakira omutinyonde ensemeli ya moya erachikwenyo Gusii abasibu barachikwenyorera kera oyomo egetanda nabayigo omoito ubukorarera.
Partner with the private sector and well-wishers to ensure that in the next few months every prisoner in this country will have one bed, one mattress, one prisoner. Vile mkiwa hapa mmejifunza na mnafunzwa mambo mengi, kurekebisha tabia na kujifundisha utaalamu ambao mtatumia siku ile mtatoka hapa gerezani. Lakini nimeona vifaa vyenu vya kujifunza taaluma, vifaa viko chini kidogo. The workshop is in very bad shape, to say the least. And for that reason, I want to announce that we will be providing Moya Prison and other prisons across the country with modern workshop equipment to the tune of 1 billion shillings to make sure that our prisons becomes a place for rehabilitation, empowerment, and preparation of our people who are in prison for reintegration to become useful members of society.
Abakori emeremo be serikali nigo be murunganire kubwatikana no kugania we serikali komenta korusia ebango aniga gocha magayo muraibwense korwa okubolia ase okunacha ensemo yokwenyorera ase kerengo geisato igoro yemia elinde goikirania omoroberi bokwaga cha chinyomba chiligorirense kegima kolende gosangana barabo nigo baba kubolia serikali koligerelia chinjira chinya cyo kwenyorera chibesa anamono chinga kechiga obugima bwendete gokonga.
An employer is supposed to support a worker. This government is now turning against the workers and is putting the burden of responsibility that is supposed to be on the employer on the employee.
That we call upon the government to immediately engage workers' representatives in the public service sector so as to agree on the best way forward.
Because we are going to call the mother of all strikes. Yes. The burden is too heavy for us.
Serikali nigo agendete koligia chinchira chugukinia oburimi anemono ase obutumiki bw'emitandao yekerero gusanga n'ababwatani korwa sensemeli ya digital kilimo nigo baimukire gitambukiro nabo igokobeka obukoreri bwabo bwensi ase mitandao yekerero anemono gwasemia abalimi mbegu kibabwenete gutumika obwoyo nabo igo ogwonchereria kwelire.
Project is focusing on 3 value chains, that is maize, dairy, and Irish potatoes, and this is what we find in these 3 counties. We are working with the government within what we call the Lord Egerton Integrated Zone that covers this region, and this is in consultation with the African Development Bank. Yeah, one of the problems we have had with the farmers is that of sourcing information from upstream as well as downstream. Information in terms of supplies, in terms of financing, but also information in terms of markets for their products. So we are hoping that through this digital platform, the farmer will have one stop shop where they are able to get information both in terms of supplies, both in terms of fertilizers, but also in terms of where to take their products once they have been produced on the farm. Yeah, we have been working on this program for quite some time now in terms of ensuring that we put in place a mechanism to have the platform in place. We've just had the developers of the platform come on the project, so they are in the process of now developing the platform so that we can roll it out. So as it were, this is going to be a pilot phase where we test the platform, ensure that it's stable, ensure that it's able to provide the information that it requires to provide to the farmer.
Unenchire ya moyo gokeania obosalini ye serikali ya kaunti ya Uasin Gishu ye mukire gitambukiro nabo igokorwania oibinyugwa byogotindia okwana no mu county commissioner korwa sensemeri ya Eldoret nigo abaga kweneke buna nigo barachikwimukia egitambukiro egetindi asonde bwensi orabe kagotokikana namamocho yo gotumika ebinyugo byogotinde bitali ebikerano
operation ya list Bruce na mambo ya hard trucks area ya Eldoret yote na nje ya Eldoret. Tumeshika watu 3 na misokoto ya banki 347 na wanapelekwa kotini tayari. Itaendelea mpaka tuone kuwa Eldoret haina mambo ya list Bruce ama hard trucks ambayo inaharibu kichana, na nafurahia wananchi kwa kupatia habari yenye watatupatia itakuwa treated in confidence. Hakuna mtu atajua tumekupatia habari, na naomba muendelee kutupatia habari ndio tutume officers kumaliza hili changa ya pombe haramu na mambo ya hard drugs kama bangi ama heroin. Naendelea tumeshika kadhaa na tumepeleka kotini.
Mwanchi mulieria kura sorbo tioroni ona ikire omweli obwa mangana maya asebire biga kulinde toska tonyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange nenyara senchira eyobwenge asinse mochi che mitandao sense ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetira Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sense media YouTube gwetira Ndizi TV News magech kamera soko nekimna ebicha na boigo eliogira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tobeto kubata nere Joshua Auta asinse mochi biorokerelio na ncheria ne Fridah Kerubo kuganilia obuligerelia obuya.